Is your HHR making this noise when you open the door? Or when you close the door? Did you hear that? You really need to do this immediately. These nuts have come loose and they need to be tightened up immediately, or you'll be pulling the door panel off. Come on, stay on there. Probably should put some lubricant on it, but that'll come later. Well, it's not as pronounced, but it's possible I didn't catch it in time to get rid of that failing door check, most likely. But it is a bunch better than it was. Unlike the other HHR that this video is about, it is getting the door check replaced on the driver's side. Hey everyone, welcome back to sunny Arizona. My door, if you've been following along, does not close because this thing here is just worn out. It's part of it's back in there and it's not lined up. I've got a total mess and I've only got one nut on that one. And I'm going to pull this door panel off. Sorry for the camera, I cannot seem to get it to pull back anymore. So I'm going to pull this door panel off and I'm going to remove that door. They call that a door check. Door holder opener. That's a word, I don't know. So anyway, when I get this panel pulled off, there's a few numerous clips and things. I did another video where I replaced this handle here, not on this car but on my other one. And if you wanted to see what I went through to get this door panel off, it's there. But to recap it, I got to pull a rubber mat out of here, undo a screw, and take this plastic cap off here, and I take a screw out of there, and then the rest is just pops out around with push-in type rivets and clips, and then all you have left are your wires that are connected, and you have to disconnect those, and of course your speaker wire that's connected. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this panel off and bring you back. I have a couple different tools here for pulling doors off, or panels off, and this is just two of them. I'm going to try using this metal one. You just slide it under and give it like a pair of pliers. See what happens. Anyway, I bought this kit on Amazon a few years ago. Put a link in the description under tools I use, and you may be able to find the same thing. I don't know what the prices are nowadays because things have gone stupid. So anyway, I'm going to see how this one works today. Someone's had this panel off once before, and I can see where they wanted to make sure it stayed on, so tool ain't going to work on that. There is a plastic plug that goes in here, but they've obviously lost that. So I'm going to slide this tool around. I've got it underneath and see if there's anything else is holding it on. I used a T30 to remove this screw here. That one right there. There are two more screws in there that are T30 as well that need to come out. Decided to use my plastic tool because I can't get the other one in over in this area right in here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. there is a door lock switch right here that is connected in the back with an electrical wire that I cannot decipher the code on how to get it loose at the moment. Another GM puzzle. They're connectors. I just hate it. Anyway, it's not that hard once you figure it out. There's other YouTube videos. I think some guy did figure it out somewhere. Anyway, I got enough room. I can still work with it just connected. So I'm going to go down into here, and then I'm going to, first before I do that, I'm going to take some of this stuff down here loose. And it's a 10 millimeter if you didn't know already. And get it out and see what it looks like. Again, I use my Black & Decker cordless screwdriver. I've been using this for, oh good golly, 2, 3, 4 years. I don't know. It's still holding up. And it's one of the better cordless screwdrivers I've run across. And anyway, there's that bolt. Then I get one more and then I'll show you what I got. The door check just pulled right on out up through that hole. And I got it over here. Here's the old one. You can see how this is connected still, and it had broken free in this weld right there. And then here's the new one. Got this on Amazon as well. I'll leave it'll be in my description under tools I use if you are looking for this one. Anyway, to me, they look the same. That's because they are. Okay, I'm going to put this one back in the hole and tighten up at least one bolt. Well, that's what she looks like. I need another nut, and then I'll be done. But till the meantime, I got to push the panel back into these very, very sturdy clips, I will tell you. And that's what I'm going to go do, just about reverse of what I did, take it off. And I'll bring you back. So I'm going to go find another nut, tighten this up, and see how she acts. What's really kind of cool is they also provided lubricant on this to so you wouldn't put it in dry. Okay, let's see how the door closes with one. There's the first detent. And there you go. How's that for closing? Gee, that's even better than a Mercedes, huh? Well, not enough. There you go. Pretty nice. First and third. Second, I mean. Second detent, first detent, and we're closed. All right, there you have it. One dirty HHR needing to be cleaned, but has a new door closer, check strap they call it, door strap, closer strap. It's a strap, and that makes this a wrap. This is Steve AZ711. Can They Drive Garage? Till the next video, you guys stay tuned. Please subscribe, help out the channel, and bye.